Hi, this is Professor Jerimiah and Coach Krystal with Odyssey Martial Arts Spring, and we're breaking down some of the attacks for the kids. So, I'll demo first and then show you the details. So in the beginning, sometimes we just have them come up. Over time, first we try to break their posture so that they start to bring their head up, and it's going to make it even easier for us to come up with this hip sweep. From here, my feet go to the floor. I'm sitting all the way up to my hand. My hand is behind me, so I'll get even more power and leverage. I'm going to push my feet into the ground, getting my hips high, so my hips are above her belly button. I pull in on her elbow, keeping it close. And from here, I'm going to bridge and turn, bringing my knee down to the mat so that I get the hip bump sweep. After I've gotten the hip bump sweep, I don't want to sit here and have no weight on her so that she could easily hit the duck and roll escape. So I bring my feet together underneath her legs, knees off of the mat, and I bring my hands super wide. I'm going no knees off of the mat so I don't crush Coach Krystal too badly. So that was the hip bump sweep.